In today's connected world, people expect to be connected and to have access at all times, everywhere. But to keep up with demand and ensure that UK customers and businesses have access to wider coverage and the latest technologies, it is important that mobile networks are able to upgrade and extend their networks quickly and cost effectively. However, as mobile technology has rapidly advanced and 5G networks are being built, the planning laws in the UK have not kept up. The government, though, has recognised this and is currently consulting on what needs to be changed. So why do we need change? Mobile networks are still relatively new, but planning laws contain many anomalies that make it difficult for mobile companies to install their equipment. For example, fixed-line broadband network operators can install infrastructure such as telegraph poles much more easily through permitted development rights. But for mobile companies, monopoles, which look very similar to telegraph poles, the rules are much more restrictive. In addition, current planning rules mean that it's often easier to build a completely new mast rather than upgrade an existing one. This means that rather than adding to an accepted and existing site, mobile operators will have to find a new site. It is often asked if operators can share masts to reduce the number of sites required. This is possible, and operators already do this where they can. However, sharing a mast or rooftop with multiple operators or adding additional technologies such as 5G will require bigger, taller masts or supporting equipment. Further, the benefits of taller masts are that they can provide a signal over a wider area, and stronger masts can support more operators on a single site. But currently, the planning system is not set up to facilitate this. This can therefore mean that more masts or supporting equipment are required than would be if the system were reformed. These reforms are necessary to enable the industry to continue to build mobile networks that deliver the most up-to-date technology, the best customer experience, and to further extend coverage. What the industry is seeking is the ability to share more infrastructure, which could reduce the total number of masts and is friendlier to the environment. What these reforms do not do is change the rules so that the industry can build whatever or wherever it likes. Accountability will be retained at a local level. The changes that the industry is proposing will enable the UK to fully realise today's and tomorrow's technologies while ensuring that mobile networks are built sympathetically across the country. Rural areas will benefit from better coverage. Mobile networks will have greater capacity, and customers will have access to the latest technologies such as 5G. We are building Mobile Britain.